Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today we're working on the GS again. So right now I'm actually swapping the shock. So the R6 shock is in the back already. And I'm gonna put the rear wheel from the Bandit 600 back in this bike. I'm probably gonna try tonight to take the fairings here off. We're slowly swapping everything. Let me show you quickly how it looks around me. Bikes here, bikes here, bikes here, bikes here, bikes everywhere there. So I'm gonna keep on putting everything in this bike and yeah, see how far I get it tonight, and probably I'm gonna keep on going with this video maybe tomorrow night or at some stage. Let's go. So the rear wheel is in. It looks pretty cool actually. I kind of like the mix. From the back it actually does not look that big. It's 160 now in there, but it doesn't look too crazy big. So yeah, here's the R6 RJ15 fully adjustable shock. The Bandit 600 wheel, which works perfect. Of course, no chain so far. I got a brand new chain. I'm gonna put it on later. Here I used the brake caliper, which is from this bike, but I'm actually gonna swap it at some stage, because this one, I don't know, yeah, this one here, you can see is fully serviced. There's new seals in there, new pads completely. I did everything before. I'm gonna have to clean up this big mess here. That's a bit annoying because this is all the shit work which I did on this bike already. Now I gotta do it here, but yeah, it's just the way it is. Next time I'm here, I'm gonna take the fairings down and do the front then. See you very soon. So that's it for this video for tonight. It's quite late again, so now the full front end is in the bike. The rear is pretty much sorted. Everything works here. The steering lock is working again. I had to modify it up there, and then steering block also, so I can actually turn the bars in half to be able to drive it properly. Yeah, now I've been trying the brand new brake pump, which is going on James's DR. It's a Motomaster radial brake pump, because my GS600 radial brake pump was feeling very spongy. This one is just as bad, so I think it's not from the brake pump. My problem is not coming from the brake pump. So now I'm blaming this little part here, which is splitting the brake lines here. So I'm probably gonna get rid of this one. I'm gonna order 2 new brake lines, which goes straight from bottom to the top. Yeah, and try to make it work without this part, and we'll see if it works any better. I'm really hoping that it's gonna be better, and if not, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look for another brake pump and try something different. But yeah, this is gonna be something for another day. Now it's late enough, as I said, so I'm done with this video. I'm done with tonight. I'm done completely. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. Probably the next one is going to be about the 650 DR from James, and it's going to be freaking awesome. So see ya!